Welcome back, students. In this video we shall solve next question from the GATE exam. Before we solve this question, let us recall what have we covered in our previous class. So if you will look at this question, we use the concept that the base of the powers that we are writing, it is decided by this r value that is given here, right? So if r value is changing, accordingly the powers that we are writing 0, 1, 2, the base will again change. So suppose r value is 10, so we are writing 10 to the power 0, 1, 2, or if r value is 2, so we are writing 2 to the power 0, 1, 2, and so on. So we will be extending the same concept in our next question as well. So it is given that 73 under base x, what is the value of x? We don't know. It is given that it is equal to 54 with base as y. The value of x and y are unknowns, but we can extend the previous concept here. We can write 3 into x raised power 0, 7 into x raised power 1 is equal to 4 into y raised power 0 plus 5 into y raised power 1, right? Depending upon the bases, because base was x and y. And now if you will solve it, it will be 7x plus 3 equal to 5y plus 4, or we can write 7x minus 5y is equal to 1, because 4 minus 3 will be 1. So it means that this is my equation which needs to be satisfied if we put the different values of x and y. Now how will we solve this question? We will be putting all the options one by one, and we will see that which of the following will satisfy our equation. So if we take the left hand side and if we check all the options one by one, we will start with option A. With 8 and 16 means first value that are given over here, they are x values, and the second value is y correspondingly, right? So we are having 7x minus 5y. So if we put x value as 8, 7 into 8 minus 5 into 16. So we need to see, is it equal to the right hand side, and right hand side value is how much? That is equal to 1. So is it satisfying the equation? The answer is no, because it will be 56 minus 80. So it will be wrong. If we put option number B with x value as 10 and y value as 12, so it is 70 minus 60. Again, the equation is not satisfied. If we look at the C option, so we'll be having 7 into x value as 9 and y value as 13. So you can see 63 minus around 65. So it will be again wrong. So if we look here, we have eliminated option A, option B, option C. So obviously D is the right answer. Okay, but still if you want to check, we can provide the values. X value as 8. So 7 into 8 minus 5 into y value, which is 11. So if we see 56 minus 55, so the answer is 1. So 1, which is equal to your right hand side. So option number D is the right answer to this given question. So that's it from this question. In the next video we shall solve the next. Thank you all.